We are 9 days into November, and we've yet to experience freezing temperatures in Richmond. On average, the first frost happens by the end of October. Meteorologist Tom Patton visited the Science Museum of Virginia to explore this delay and the importance of our first freeze.
For allergy sufferers and outdoor pets, the first freeze of the year has great significance. As the days get shorter and cold air settles in, our first freeze is lagging behind.
So a lot of the times it clears our air out of the allergens that are still causing us to take our allergy medicines in the first week of November. Also, it finally really kills off those remaining pests.
Mosquitoes, ticks, mold, and ragweed, to name a few. Having a variable climate in Virginia means freezing temperatures can arrive early or late, but the long-term trend has become later.
When we look at what it was in the beginning part of the 20th century versus now, it ends up being almost 2 weeks later on average.
This has been the trend throughout all of Virginia over the past century.
Now, what's really significant about this is that, it's consistent with our understanding of global climate change. As our planet warms up, our seasons like fall and spring are going to kind of contract, and summer's going to kind of fatten out into those time periods.
So as we get close to our first big autumn freeze, albeit late, we can start to say goodbye to some of those pesky things we as Virginians have gotten used to. For CBS 6 News, I'm meteorologist Tom Patton.
Well, if the temperatures fall into the 20s, as our forecast says, we would be experiencing that kind of cold earlier than the average time frame.